Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now we would be looking at Euro JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And if you are also yet to follow us on Telegram, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram. The link will be in the comment section. So now let's take a look at Euro JPY. Let's start with this daily time frame. So what is the trend for this? You clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. Let's say this is the movement to the upside. This is a pullback, right? A new higher highs was made, right? Which took out this previous highs, and this is the pullback. Now, if you take a look at this JPY, a new higher highs has been made, but it has not given us that clear higher highs very well. So meaning there will be more movement to the upside very, very well before you start expecting a pullback. But right now, we are not expecting this week. We should be expecting some movement to the outside. That should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see it from here, right? You can see this market is literally pushing up. You can see it. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is the higher lows, which you can call this as a false breakout if you would want to. Then this is a new higher highs, right? Then this what happened here is the higher lows. What is happening now? What is playing out? Currently playing out. A new higher highs is currently playing out. So this week we should be able to see take out this previous highs. So that is to tell you that more uptrend on Euro JPY is coming. So more movement to the upside is literally coming on Euro JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe to that Patreon channel, we are now currently offering a 40% discount, which will only last for 2 days. If you missed it last week, you can now join now. So we can say that it will only last for 2 days. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section